You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this martial art. We'll be looking at how to say more confusing names of martial arts as well that too many people mispronounce. So originally a name from Japanese, although the sport is more Brazilian. In Japanese it's said as Jiu-jitsu, Jiu-jitsu, Jiu-jitsu. So in English it's generally said as Jiu-jitsu, Jiu-jitsu, Brazilian Jiu-jitsu. It's easy, and now you know. More videos. We're here to learn more. I'll see you there. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.